Hey bro, welcome back to the channel, where we break down relationships, psychology, and social tricks to make your life more interesting. Have you ever wondered why someone suddenly changes, or how to make them think about you constantly? Well, you're in the right place, because today I'm going to show you psychological strategies that will make them feel your absence and chase you again. So stick around till the end. This one's going to be good. How to make someone think about you. Non-stop. Listen, the human brain has a unique psychological mechanism called the Zeigarnik effect. This effect makes our brain obsess over unfinished business. Think about it. If you start watching a movie but don't see the ending, your brain keeps wondering, what happens next? The same thing happens in relationships. When something feels unfinished or left hanging, a person will keep thinking about it. So if you want someone to think about you constantly, don't give them closure too soon. Don't always respond too quickly. Don't always give them clear answers. And most importantly, don't over-explain yourself. For example, if they text you, instead of answering immediately with full details, say something like, "Oh, something interesting just happened, but I'll tell you later." Boom. Now their brain is working overtime, trying to figure out what you're up to. They'll start getting curious, and curiosity, it's addictive. The push and pull effect, the art of keeping them hooked. Here's another trick. The push and pull effect. This is a psychological technique used in social dynamics to create emotional tension. If you're always available, always nice, and always saying yes to them, eventually they'll stop valuing your presence. But if you mix it up, sometimes showing interest, sometimes being distant, they'll start feeling uncertain. And uncertainty creates attraction. For example, if you've been texting often, pull back for a bit. If you've been showing a lot of attention, reduce it. What happens next? They start to notice your absence. They check your posts more. They like your pictures. They comment randomly just to get your attention. Why? Because their brain is now wired to seek your validation. And here's the most important part. When they start chasing, don't make it too easy. If you immediately give them the comfort they're looking for, the effect disappears. Instead, stay focused on your own life. Build your confidence. Work on your career. Hit the gym. Develop your mindset. Because at the end of the day, they're not just attracted to your attention. They're attracted to the high-value person you're becoming. How to make them work for your attention. Now, let's talk about the biggest mistake people make at this stage. They rush back the moment they see a little interest. They see a text and immediately get excited. They think, "Oh, they finally miss me." And then what happens? They go back to being too available. Bro, if you want them to value you, you need to stay in control. When they text you, pause. When they ask to meet, make them wait. When they start showing more interest, don't give in too easily. Because the moment they feel you're still too easy to get, the chase ends. Instead, let them see you as someone different now, someone more confident, someone more independent, someone they need to work for. And here's the best part. If they truly care about you, this won't push them away. It will pull them in even harder. They'll want to earn back their place in your life. But if they don't show real effort, then you just saved yourself from someone who was never worth your time. Final thoughts. Keep your standards high. At the end of the day, bro, This isn't just about making them chase you. It's about becoming a version of yourself that people naturally want to chase. You don't have to beg. You don't have to force anything. Just understand human psychology, live your life in a way that makes you more attractive, and let them come to you. And if they don't, it's their loss. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more psychological breakdowns, and drop a comment below. I know my worth. Let's keep leveling up. See you in the next one.